Hi there, how you doing? I hope it's alright. And in today's video I'm going to explain how to best use the Foliage Material inside Twinmotion from the version 2024.1. So let's get started. The first thing I have to tell you is that this material is fantastic. Since it has been made available, I use it every time I import a plant or a tree into Twinmotion. To use it is important that it's applied on the surfaces that make up the leaves of the plant or a tree, usually or downloaded from the web or created in a specific 3D modeling software. For this example, I use a plant downloaded from the project site and a tree downloaded from CG Axis. Having imported the model, I point out that in the Maps folder downloaded along with the 3D, there are several textures, particularly those of the leaves, which I will use to create the foliage material. In the material section, I create the foliage material and assign it to the surface of the leaves, which will immediately be characterized with the default textures of the foliage material. So I open its properties, and in the color item, I select the surface color texture, downloaded just now. The leaves will now magically start moving. The reality though is that this particular material is sensitive to the wind parameters set in the project, so setting it to 0 will cause the leaves to stop moving. If I instead increase the wind, the leaves will move like crazy. Despite this, however, in the mist section you can turn off the wind tick, so that the leaves are no longer sensitive to the wind changes. In addition to this, again in the color section you can set the back face fade, to simulate the effects where the back face of foliage appears paler than in the front, and personally I find this a very powerful feature. I skip the opacity because I'll show you with the next 3D model, and go to the translucency, which defines how much light transmits through the surface from the lit side to the dark side, that face away from the light source. Obviously, to best handle this effect, you'll need to use a texture. Then I insert the glossiness texture downloaded with the 3D and adjust the intensity of the translucency. This grayscale texture reads like this. Dark values occlude light transition and bright values allow light transmission. Ambient occlusion only takes effect with the standard engine and serves to adjust the amount of ambient light occlusion at the core of the object the material is applied to. This setting is not available in the Lumen or Path Tracer rendering modes, as they both have more precise built-in light occlusion. I'll also skip what is perhaps the main feature of the foliage material, which I'll show you in just a moment, to conclude the creation of this material by also assigning the roughness and the normal textures, then finishing with the assignment of the other standard materials. The 3D model is ready to be saved in the user library and ready to be used in any future project. Now I import the second 3D model and quickly assign the downloaded textures. You will notice right away that the leaves are not cropped correctly. So to fix this, open the opacity panel and insert the black and white texture in the map folder. These textures, inserted in the opacity font, removes the part of the image that, compared to the color textures, are black. Finally, I show you the most amazing feature of this material, the foliage and season, thanks to which you can make the vegetation react automatically to the Twinmotion seasons and weather conditions, or override these settings and customize the growth, color and leaf variations according to your needs. Regardless of whether you select Use Global Season or Force Season, from season color you will determine the color of the material over the courses of the seasons, and from leaves life cycle you will determine when leaves and flowers grow or fall over the course of the seasons. If for example I select season color 02, the leaves will always be the color of the texture, so green, until with the season slider I approach the winter season. At this point, the leaves will turn yellow. Integrating season color with leaves life cycles allow the trees to lose its leaves, depending on what time the season I am in with the slider. Black corresponds to total loss of leaves, white to a complete presence. Of course, the same argument can be applied with fruit, simulating precisely as time passes when these will ripen. Of all the improvements made in the 2024 version, I think the foliage material is my absolute favorite, because it allows you to bring vegetation imported into Twinmotion project to a completely different graphic level. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoy it, please let me know in the comment what topics you would like to be explored in the next video. That said, I wish you a good day or evening and see you in the next video. Ciao!